Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.
Today we'll be making creamy chicken soup. You will need 2 potatoes, 3 medium carrots, 1 medium onion, 2 chicken breasts, 30 milliliters of butter. Then we also have some white pepper, ground coriander, salt, masala and Cajun spice, and minced garlic. A can of sweet corn, some cream, milk, vegetable stock powder, and 5 cups of water. Then heat a large pot over medium-high heat. Add 15 milliliters of butter along with your onions and carrots and potatoes. And stir to combine. Then add your 5 cups of water to the vegetables, along with 15 milliliters of vegetable stock powder. Stir to combine and cover with a lid to cook until the vegetables are soft. In a saucepan, add the other 15 milliliters of butter. Then add your cubed chicken breast. Add all your spices and minced garlic to the chicken. Stir to combine and cook over medium heat until the chicken is fully cooked but not dry. Then you can remove that from the heat. When the vegetables are fully cooked, you can add some salt for extra seasoning. Then use an emergent blender or food processor to liquidize the vegetables into a puree. Place the pot back on the heat and add the cooked chicken. Also add your can of sweet corn and stir to combine. You can then add your 250 milliliters of milk along with 80 milliliters of cream, but it is optional to reserve some for garnish. Stir to combine and let the soup come to a light boil or simmer to allow all the flavors to come together. Then it is time to serve. Dish up the soup. Add a drizzle of cream and some chopped parsley for garnish. Best serve warm with a slice of fresh bread and butter. Enjoy! Creamy chicken soup, the perfect dinner on a cold winter's night.
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more culinary inspiration.